Hello guys, this is Rylosi 3rd grade lesson 26. Let's get started. Find the number that the variable stands for. So example, we have 8 divided by 2 equals x. So we just find for the x right here and we get 4. Okay, number 1, we have 14 divided by 4. We could do 2 times 5. That's 10. That's still not 14. Let's try 6. That's 12. That's still not 14. Let's try 7. And we get 14. So A would be 7. It's 14 divided by 2 equals 7. And this number 2, we have the variable on this side and not the answer. So 5 times something is 20. So let's try 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Let's try 5 times 3. 5 times 3 equals 15. Let's try 4. 5 times 4 is 20, so that would be 4. This one, 18 divided by 9. If you have 2 9s, then it would be 18, so C is 2. 16 divided by 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Take that 2. 27 divided by 9. Let's do 9 times 2. That's 18. That's still not enough for 27. Let's try 9 times 3. And we get 27, so the answer, or E, would be 3. 21 divided by 7, let's do 7 times 2, we get 14. Let's do 7 times 3, and we get 21. So F would be 3. Write a division sentence using subtraction. We have the examples right here. Okay, so number 1, we're writing a division sentence, so we're starting off with 32 divided by the number we're subtracting by here. If you look at the pattern, it's 8, so the divider is 8. So 32 divided by 8, and we do that 1, 2, 3, 4 times, so that would be 4. 32 divided by 8 is 4, equals 4. Number 2, we start off with number 30 divided by, we're subtracting by 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, and 7, 5. So 30 divided by 5 equals, or that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 6. Sorry guys. So that would be 6 5s. And number 3, we're starting off with 28. 28 divided by, what are we subtracting by? 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 7s. So that would be 4. Use subtraction to solve. So from 20, if you subtract 5 once, that would be 15. If you subtract it twice, that would be 10. If you subtract it 3 times, then it would be 5. If you subtract it 4 times, then it would be 0. So it takes 4 times for 5 to get to 20. So that would be 4. On this one, we go from 15 minus 3, and minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. We have to do that for 5 times until we get to 0. 2, 12 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, and we have to do that 6 times. 32, 8, and we could solve it out. 32 minus 8, that would be 24. And then if we subtract 8 again, that would be 16. And if you do it again, that would be 8. If you did it again, that would be 0. And so we did once, twice, 3, and 4 times. Okay, from 35, if we subtract 5 7 times, we're gonna get to 0. And from 21, subtract 7 once, and then we go 14. If you subtract it again, we get 7. Subtract it one more time, we get 0. So that was once, twice, and 3 times. Number 7, we have to subtract 7 times, and number 8, that is 6 times, and number 9, that is also 6, and 50 divided by 10, that is 5. We need 10 fives for 50. And 24 divided by 6, we need 4 of them. And 40 divided by 5, we need 8 fives. Word problems. Julie had 24 rocks in her collections. If a box holds 6 rocks, how many boxes will Julie need for her collection? So, Julia has 24 rocks in her collection, and she wants to know how many boxes it would take. Okay, so you have 1 rock, 2 rock, 3 rock, 4 rock, 5 rock, 6 rock. That's 6 rock right here. That's 1 box. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's another box. So right here is 12. So from 24 we went to we went to 12. If we do it again, that is, we go from 12 to 6 left. If we do it one more time, we have 0 left. So which means we need 4 boxes. Miss Craft arranged 24 stamps so that 4 were in each row. How many rows did she make? So 24, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 1 row. 5, 6, 7, 8, another row. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That's 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 row, 5 row, 6 row. Fernando buys 38 baseball cards. He keeps 20 cards and divided the rest equally between 2 friends. How many cards will each friend get? So from 38, he's keeping 20. So he is giving away 18 cards. So from 18, we have to divide by 2 because it's 2 friends. So from 18, so we could do subtraction. From 18, subtract it once, it's 16. Subtract 2 again, that's 14. That's 12, that's 10, that's 8, that's 6, that's 4, that's 2, and that's 0. So from 18, we go once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, and 9 times to get to 0. That's 9 times. Brad had 20 pencils to divide equally among 5 groups of students. How many pencils does each group get? So there's 5 groups of students and there's 20 pencils. So we could do subtraction again. There's 20. If we subtract it by 5 again, we get 15. One more time, we get 10. Another time, we get 5. And lastly, we get 0. That's once, twice, 3 times, and 4 times. Alright, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.